Ever felt frustrated by simply not having enough space when packing for a trip? We've been there, which inspired us to create a bag that offers legendary space. Airback's integrated compression system makes life easier by reducing stress and letting you pack over 50% more stuff. This high-quality backpack isn't just a travel sidekick. It's an all-in-one, adventure-ready companion. And will never let you down. Airback represents a groundbreaking innovation in the travel world. Thanks to our patented compression technology, we've revolutionized packing by enabling you to fit much more items into the same space. Let's start with the front pocket, perfect for stashing essentials like headphones, sunglasses, chargers, and keys. Crafted from recycled, sustainable fabric, it guarantees to keep your belongings dry with its 100% water-resistant design. Next, you'll find a spacious compartment designed for your laptop or those books you've been meaning to read. Then our straps. We've transformed them with soft, breathable padding to provide the utmost comfort available in the market. And you can easily attach it to your trolley. We've crafted a hidden pocket, ideal for storing essentials. As you move along, a laptop section is designed for security with our TSA-approved lock, followed by a spot for your drinking bottle. Let's step things up. With our weight handle, traveling becomes stress-free, ensuring you won't have those stressful moments of hastily repacking your belongings at the airport. And thanks to the built-in USB-C charger port, your devices will always be powered up. Let's move inside the bag. You will find a special designed, odor-free and water-resistant place. The perfect home for those less fresh items like your shoes. Ready for the magic? Within the Airback sits our patented compression system. A game changer. It allows you to store items with incredible efficiency. This smart feature allows you to stash up to 50% more gear. To use it? Simple. Use our custom pump or go old school with your household vacuum. Still need more space? Just use the extendable zipper. A generous amount of space awaits. After 3 years of development and fine-tuning, we're all set for production. We'd be thrilled if you'd like to airback us up on our exciting adventure. Embrace the stress-free moments and create more storage room for all your upcoming events.